So we've just filled petrol in my bike and now we'll be heading to Daisar Chaknaga to meet up with another friend of mine. His name is Mandar. I've done rides with him before. So we'll meet him there. Hopefully I can make it by 6 o'clock. I don't want to keep him waiting. So we have reached Daisar Chaknaga, 6 o'clock, almost I think 2 minutes before 6. The plan was successful. I left on time. I had good pace, good average speed throughout the highway, so I managed to make it here on time. Now I have to look for Mandar. The big boy is here. Versys 650. No, I crossed. There was no parking there that time.
Now, I don't know the exact road actually. You have to go to Vasai Virat straight go.
Okay.
There I'll put the details.
Okay. Sure. So I don't know if you can see it, but it just started drizzling a little bit and I don't want it to rain really heavy. Can hear me, but this is one of the most difficult conditions that I have to ride in, and I must say you learn a lot, because see, the road is so narrow. You are with two very powerful bikes, it's raining, you're drenched wet, so it really teaches you how to keep patience, how to pace yourself and not freaking blow it in the corners. Yes, this is what you were built for. This is what you were built for. Touring, weather, sun, rain, winter, snow, anything. This is what you are built for. Indian fucking conditions. And you are doing it. I love it.